Today we are going to discuss the chapter 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance. So in that your first topic, that is related to what? Electric potential or electrostatic potential. So electric potential. So let us know about what is the meaning of the electric potential. Before discussion of this electrostatic potential, let us know, suppose this is the two bodies are there. This is the first body, massive body, and then after this is what? Second body, and they are what? Contact to each other, right? Suppose the temperature of this body, this is the 100 degree centigrade, and the temperature of this body, this is what? Suppose this is the 20 degree centigrade, right? Then the heat, when they are contact to each other, then heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature up to when they are not getting the equilibrium condition. Means heat flows from this to this, right? So it means that what ki the flow of heat from higher temperature to lower temperature, right? This is always possible there. In general condition, if two bodies are what in contact to each other, and one it is having higher temperature and second one it is having the lower temperature, then the flow of heat is always from higher temperature to lower temperature. So here you have to see electric potential. So electric potential, it is the simply electrical states which is determines the flow of our charges. From suppose positive charge, it is always flow from higher potential to lower potential, and then after if you are having the negative charges, so it is always flowing from lower potential to higher potential, right? So for general definition of the electric potential, what we are going to take that. So electric potential means what? It is the electrical state which determines the flow of charges, right? From higher potential to lower potential, positive charges are flowing, and from lower potential to higher potential, what? Negative charges are flowing, right? So for general definition of the electric potential, what we are going to take, suppose one source charge is, we are taking that. Suppose this is the Q, this is the source charge which is situated at the point O. This is what? Source charge. So here we are taking this is the source charge, and initially what we are taking that this is the another unit positive test charge is there. Suppose this is the Q naught. This we are saying that this is the unit positive test charge. This is what? Unit positive test charge. At this time, this unit positive test charge, this is what? At infinity. Why with the unit positive test charge that we are taking what? At infinity. Why we are taking this unit positive test charge, this is what? At infinity. Because at infinity we are going to consider that the electric field generated by this source charge at infinity, this is what? 0, because we know that E, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. If distance of any point from this source charge, this is what? Infinite, means 1 upon infinity square, so the electric field, this is what? 0, right? So what we are considered? We are considered one, this is the source charge, positive source charge. It is situated at this point O, and we are considering another test charge, this is the Q naught, which is situated at infinity. Then amount of work done which is required to bring this unit positive test charge from infinity to a particular point, and this particular point which is situated at in the field of this source charge, suppose this point A. So how much work done is required on bringing this unit positive test charge from infinity to a particular point? This is known as what? Electrostatic potential, or simply electric potential. So electric potential V, this is equal to W infinity to a particular point A, and test charge, this is the Q naught. So this is the general definition. The amount of the amount of work done is required, the amount of work done is required to bring a unit positive charge, from infinity to any point which lies from here, let us see, which lies in the field of, which lies in electric field of other charge, or source charge, is known as electrical potential. Right? So what we have written, the amount of work done is required to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to any point which is lies in the electric field of the other charge is known as what? Electrostatic or simply electrical potential. Right? So this is the meaning of the and definition of the, this is what electrical potential. After this, you have to see what is the SI unit of the electric potential. So next one, SI unit of electric potential. Okay, what is the SI unit of the electric potential? So here what we are written, this is the V, this is the W infinity, or simply W upon Q naught. So we know that the SI unit of the work done, this is what, Joule, and then after charge this is the Coulomb. So Joule per Coulomb, or this is known as what? Volt. So the SI unit of what potential, this is what, simply volt. Right? And after this one, we are going to discuss about what is the potential difference. And we know that due to the potential difference only the electric charges are flowing. So potential difference or electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. So what is the meaning of electric potential difference? Again we are going to consider a source charge. Suppose this is the plus Q, this is situated at this point O, and if this charge is there, then around this one electric field is there, that is made up by the electric field lines. Now here in the electric field of this source charge, we are going to consider the 2 points. Suppose this is the A and this is the B, and definitely we know that a point which is near to this one, it is having the higher potential, and a point which is away from this one, this is having the lower potential in comparison to this one. Then what we are going to do that, suppose at point this we are keeping a unit positive test charge, this is the what, unit positive test charge. Then on moving this unit positive test charge from this point to this point, then how much work done is required, this is known as what? Electrostatic potential difference. Right? So electrostatic potential difference, this is the amount of the work done is required on moving a unit positive test charge from one point to another point, and condition is that both the points they are lying in the electric field of the source charge. So electric potential difference, suppose at this point electric potential, this is the VA, and at this point this is the electric potential, this is the VB, here higher, here this is the lower potential. B2A that we are moving, that this is the higher potential. So VA minus VB, this is equal to W work done from B to A upon किसको Q naught. So this is the definition of the electric potential difference. The amount of work done is required on moving a unit positive test charge from one point to another point, and condition is that both the points they are lying the electric field of the source charge, right? So this is the simple definition of the electric potential difference, and same unit is there, volt potential or potential difference unit. This is what a volt, right? After this one, if you want to calculate what is the dimensional formula of the potential, electric potential, then here you have to see. Dimensions of electric potential. What is the dimensional formula of electric potential? So here you have to see, if you are going to write the dimensions of electric potential, so this is equal to what? We likha tha, this is the dimensions of W, and then after dimensions of what? Charge, Q naught. And work done, this is the force into displacement, and then after this is the charge means what? Current into time, right? Both are the fundamental. This is the fundamental, only this is the derived. And you know that force, this is the mass into acceleration. So this we can write. This is the force, means mass into acceleration, and here this is the distance. And then after this is the I, and then after this is the t. Acceleration means what? Change in velocity with respect to time. So now here we are keeping the dimensions. Mass means capital M. Acceleration Lt minus 2. And distance, this is the L. And divided by current, this is the A. And time, this is the capital T. So this. So this is become what? Dimensions of V. This is what? M? No. So M you have to write. L1 then 2. L power 2. And L power 2, this is what? T. ये ऊपर जाएगा T power minus 3. And then after A power minus 1. So this is the dimensions of the electrostatic potential. Right? Now this we are calculated. After this one you have to see. Now here you have to see, after this one we are going to discuss about the electric potential due to a point charge. Due to a point charge means what? Ki suppose this, here we are going to consider one point. This is the, suppose this is the O. And at this point we are keeping one positive charge, suppose this is the Q. And suppose one point we are going to consider here, suppose this point P is there, which is some distance, suppose this distance, this is R, where we want to calculate the electric potential, right? For that, we are going to consider a unit positive test charge that is at presently, this is what infinite means. At infinity, the electric field generated by this plus Q charge, this is the 0. And then after, from infinity to, we are bringing this, suppose this point A, and at this point the electric field of this charge, source charge, this is what? Effective. When we are keeping this Q naught at here, after bringing this one, then electrostatic force of repulsion is there, because this is the positive, this is also positive. Then the direction of the electrostatic force, this is what? In this direction, suppose this is the F. And this distance, suppose we are saying that this is the X distance is there. Then when we are keeping this unit positive test charge at this point A, then how much electrostatic force of repulsive force is there, then that we want to calculate. So F, this is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon this is what distance, this is the x square. Suppose this is the equation. Now when you are bringing this unit positive test charge towards this q naught, then work has to be done due to this repulsive force. Suppose here we are taking another point, suppose this point, this is the P, and here their distance from this to this, suppose this is the dx. Now here to see from A to B that small displacement we are taking, that this is what dx, and in between A to B, suppose electrostatic force, this is the constant, then small work done on moving this unit positive test charge to this point to this point. Suppose this is the dw, right? So dw, this is equal to force, this is the scalar product of the force and displacement. So angle, this is what 180 degree. Okay, this is the direction of the displacement, and here this is the direction of the force. They are making what 180 degree. So this is f dx cos 180 degree. You know cos 180, this is what minus 1. So this is equal to minus f dx. So this is the dw, this we are calculated. dw minus f dx. Now after that total work done that we have to calculate on bringing this unit positive test charge from infinity to a particular point P, which is r distance from this source charge. So total work done, so for calculation of total work done, this is the what w, this is the integral of dw, and dw means this is, so here we are going to keep integral from infinity to this point, which is distance of q naught to this is first infinity, so here this is the infinity, and then after at this point we want to calculate electric potential, so this distance to this is what up to maximum limit, this is the upper limit or lower limit infinity. dw, or this we can write infinity to r minus f dx, right? After this one you have to see f minus, if you take out infinity to r, f 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon x square dx, right? Now some mathematics here we are going to use. Something you have to take out. So w, this is equal to what? Minus infinity to r, this same you have to write, r minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught you have to take out, q naught you have to take out, constants are there, only what is the remaining? Infinity to r, only 1 upon x square dx. This you have to see 1 upon a square, this we can write a power minus 2, so this we are writing minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught infinity to r x power minus 2 dx, right? And after this one you have to see one formula. This formula here we are going to use integral of x power n dx, and any number 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So this is equal to x power n dx, this is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this formula we are going to use for calculation of the this integral. So this portion we are going to rub, there is no problem. Now after this one you have to see w, this is equal to what? Minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is q naught, and then after this by using this formula, so this is x power minus 2, and then this is what? Plus 1. In place of n, this is the minus 2 is given, so minus 2 plus 1, and then also this is the downside, minus 2 plus 1, this is right, this is the, and upper limit or lower limit infinity, right? So this is the minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught, this is the x power minus 1 upon minus 1 r and infinity. This we can write like this one, a power minus 1, this is the 1 upon a, same here, x power minus 1, so this is the 1 upon x. So minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught, this we can write minus 1 by x infinity to r, upper limit and minus lower limit, r minus we can take out. So w this is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is q naught, then upper limit minus 1 by r, lower limit minus 1 upon infinity, right? Upper limit minus lower limit, in place of x we are putting infinity and here this is the r. So 1 upon infinity, this is the 0, means total term this is the 0 and this minus this is become, ये इसको प्लस कर देगा, ठीक. So w this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon this is r. So total work done here we are calculated when we are bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point, and that point is lying in the electric field of the source charge, right? So after this one, so electrostatic potential by definition V equal to W upon किसको Q naught. So W already that we are calculated 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon this is the R, and then after this is the Q naught. So this is cancelled out. What we are getting, that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So electrostatic potential at point P, which is r distance from the source charge, that we are calculated. So V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, right? This is. So here you have to see V is inversely proportional to what? 1 by R. Means if you are increasing the distance, then gradually the electrostatic potential, this is what decreases. When we are going to draw the graph R, and then after this is the V, so graph like that we are getting that. Means when you are increasing the distance with respect to that electric potential, this is what decreases.